This is Rachel ng 196 WDJ Rock. How are you, baby? Kumusta na ang baby Jungkook namin sa aming online systems ng Macresi? Okay. Sabi niya, pride niya yon. Makwento ko kung gaano siya kagaling kagabi. It's not a rehearsal though. Pero nagka-break kasi kami ng matagal na panahon, and I've been into a couple of new yung stars sa ating TikTok. Yan. And documentaries. Okay. Tsaka na natin pag-usapan yan. Kung meron mang hurdles, kasi nga, ay nagkaroon siya ng iba. Tsaka, I don't feel like going with younger men na ngayon. So, may option kami to be like as we were gods, na create ng Macresi, okay, for ourselves and our own setup. Okay, first of all, since dumating ako sa industriya 20 years ago, kakaumpisa pa lang, and may setup na sila sa Google. Okay, so what I had to do was okay lang, 500,000 likes, only $54. Pero eto, dumating ako sa TikTok only 2 years ago, and that setup still isn't approved for me yet. I have to yung magtrabaho 24 hours a day, magdo live, kahit vlogging. Kaya hindi ako yung klase ng tao na matatalian mo, kasi I have so many affiliations din online nga lang, no? Sa ordinary life, hindi ako active sa community. Ito na yung pagiging active ko sa community, to connect what's happening sa abroad, online system only, dito sa atin sa community. However, marami tayong tribes dito sa actual community. Merong group si Jeromo, ayaw niya pero lagi silang nosy. Oo. Ayaw nila yung mga sinishare natin. Pero lagi silang nosy sa atin yun. Sobrang masakit ulo ko dyan. Okay, so itribo na lang natin sila doon sa deaf tribe. Okay. Maraming iba naman, ayaw nila akong i-allow na maging zillionaire. Queen nga ako, di ba? Nagkataon lang na, eto, pinag-aralan natin po. Ang isang bata, kapag pinapanganak, meron na siyang spirit force, mighty and bat, molding spirit force for the baby body. And as the baby grows up, isang molde siya na siyang parang klase ng gulaman na, okay, eto gusto ko para sa'yo, pero ayaw mo, eto naging ka. Okay, eto gusto mo, pero gusto ko mas great pa dyan, sige, ganyan ka na lang. Okay, eto gusto ko, pero wow, grabe, mas magaling ka pa kaysa sa akin. Kaya, eto ang ganda mo. Yon, ganun. And, dumating yung time katulad ni Papa Jesus, o ni Lord Jesus ng Israel. Jesusian. Okay, kasi may Lord Judas sila. And then, si Lord Jesus, para magkaroon ng victory, akala niya, for the victory of his ministry for God, para sa lupa, ay magsasucceed siya by recruiting 12 more enemies of Judah. Nagkamali siya, di ba? Yung 12 enemies na yon na ginugroom niya maging enemy, yung 12 na yon na disciples niya, ginugroom niya upang maging enemies also like him ng Israel, ay sa kanya, defect, from him, nag-defect. In the end, ipinahamak rin siya. Tapos, dahil nakapagtanim na siya ng rebellion laban doon sa Judaism at kinampihan ng Romans, centurions, and governance hierarchy, lahat din sila napahamak. At ang deklarasyon or narration, isa lang ang hindi napahamak sa kanila, si John the Beloved. Nawala na lang yon, tinake up sa langit. Yun. Being the God of love, si Saint Jude Thaddeus, ibig sabihin ay hindi pa rin sila nag-succeed sa kanilang Great Commission. Wala man silang alam eh. Sino ba nakakaalam? Diba? Yung the Great Holy Force lang ng bawat tao ang nakakaalam ng destiny ng bawat tao. However, sabi ko nga, kung katulad naman sa hinulmang gulaman, ang gusto natin mabulaklak, maraming toppings, hindi naman naka-afford ng ganon, wala tayong magagawa. So, ilalagay natin siya sa simple tribe. Yan. Katulad ni Jeromo, no? Kinaklamor nila that I'm bad, that I must get out of my riches and wealth here in Rizal. Eh, walang problema, wala naman silang pambayad. Yun naman ang problema natin pare-pareho. I'd like to get out of this place. After all the years that I've been here, I already realized we've done so much already, and the place is no longer poor, no, para i-serve ko pa, para paglingkuran ko pa. Pero wala naman silang pambayad. Sa lahat ng mga wealth and riches natin dito, sa Shiat lang, wala silang pambayad sa amin. Anong gagawin natin pare-pareho? Maghiwa-hiwalay na lang po, Miss Will. Maghiwa-hiwalay, yes. Pero, hindi ko sila papayagang lumabas dito dahil hindi sila pasado ng grade 1. Samantalang tayo, naka-tertiary tayo. Ayaw nila eh. Oh, di ba? I'm always frank about our accomplishments, and I'm always inspiring you all na this is not yet the life I wanna give you. Not yet the life I'm into. No, yung klase ng lifestyle I wanna show you compared to the lifestyle they have inside the prisons, in the streets, begging for alms. My gosh, kung yun ang pipiliin nyo, bakit pa ako naghirap ng, ang ko ng 60 years here? Diba? Kaya, well, anyway, deadlines are deadlines. I have to decide kung if worst comes to worst, talagang hindi nila ako mababayaran. I did all my best already, and I've shown them of my wealth and riches which are already collectible, matured, and deadline na din for collection. Okay, so natutunan natin sa ating mga FID, Phil International Documentaries, that, oh my Lord, meron pang mas maganda sa mga isinaysay ng The Living Bible. And dahil tayo ay in general spiritual, kailangan alam natin the secrets behind and the beyond. Behind all the things which made Jesus fail and created in Him yung hindi matingkalang sufferings. No? And He wants to prove up to now that heaven shall come down to rescue Him. But it didn't happen in His time. Correct? Correct. Okay, so now, ito na ba yung time na yon? When heaven shall come down, eh patay na siya. Okay, so ito yung isang documentary natin na idadagdag ko.
In the Gospel of Mark, Jesus meets a man who was possessed not by one demon, but by an entire legion, thousands of demons. When they saw Jesus, they did not attack him. Instead, they fell at his feet. One voice rose from the darkness. What do you want with us, Jesus, Son of the Most High? Then came the desperate plea. Please, do not cast us out of this region. Allow us to enter the place. Why did they ask for this? Because demons do not only seek to possess people, they also crave control over territories. They knew that if Jesus sent them into the abyss, their power would This story is not just about deliverance, it is a warning. When Jesus arrives, evil trembles. If you believe in the power of God, right, I believe in the comments.
と思っていたのです。ところが、ある日、